At a time when Muslim lands stretched from the ocean to the Gulf, the Ottoman Empire, though weakened, was the last symbol of unity for Muslims around the world. But in the shadows of global politics, a dagger was being sharpened in secret. In 1916, Mark Sykes and François Picot met to sign one of the most dangerous secret agreements in history, the Sykes-Picot Agreement, an agreement that tore apart the body of the Ummah and opened the gates to occupation and division. France would take Syria, Lebanon, and northern Iraq. Britain would seize southern Iraq and Palestine, while Jerusalem would be left under international administration, a prelude to the Balfour Declaration and the implantation of the Zionist entity. But the greatest tragedy is that the Arabs were deceived with false promises of a united Arab state while their lands were secretly being sold. In 1917, the Russian Bolsheviks exposed the secret agreement, shock followed by betrayal. The Arabs took up arms against the British, but it was too late. The damage had already been done. Since Sykes-Picot, the Ummah has known no true stability. Wars, occupation, sectarianism, fragmentation, all rooted in that cursed agreement. Historians call it a stab in the back of the people. Muslim thinkers say it wasn't just an agreement. It was the start of a downfall that still continues. If we seek the beginning of Palestine's loss, the Ummah's fragmentation, the answer begins here. Sykes-Picot, the dagger still buried in the Ummah's back. Thank you for watching this episode. To continue to learn about the establishment of the State of Israel and the Palestinian struggle for independence, watch the next episode. On-screen text: Sykes-Picot, a crime never forgotten.